felt like an F1 driver right here. Good?
Whoa, stop. Once more.
We are on our way. We got all the cams set up. Look, we got one right there, one right here, one right there, and then one in Josh's hands right now. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll try to not get pulled over or do anything too dumb. But I think it's gonna be a good time. It took forever to get the GoPro set up, so I hope we get some good footage out of it. Catch y'all soon. All right, you can cut it. Well, the interior cam decided to turn off for no reason, but we're back. All right. We're gonna take it easy for the first couple corners, get acclimated to the road.
Watch out for these bikers. Whoa, stop.
Oh shoot. We gotta get out of here. We can't stay here. Are y'all good? Should we let them know? Well, there might be a cop pulling up now. Eating up these corners for breakfast. Dinner now. I mean, yeah, I'm not trying to go too fast. Bunch of traffic. Bro's here with the Rivian.
With the Rivian is
That's crazy. I think it's so heavy. That dude's ripping. Car coming. I think they're stopped, so you might want to wait. Oh, I don't think we're stopping. Are we? up to them again. Y'all want to pull over?
You want to stop somewhere, or keep going? Want to stop somewhere, or keep going? Somewhere, or keep going?
I could keep it going. No, keep it going.
Running out of skill.
Big line.
Good.
Carrying so much momentum.
Huh?
We're carrying so much momentum.
Yeah. Oh, this dip's about to be lit. Let's go.
Some traffic coming out. Slow down.
I need a second gear right there. I'm gonna pull it, wait for the homies.
Oh my, the Beamer's coming. Beamer City.
Beamer Fest! I don't know why this super honked at me. There it is. I guess he just wanted me out the way. I felt like an F1 driver right here. Back to second. On it. Keep missing third gear. Definitely don't want to see how much speed I can carry through that corner.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, here are some extra pictures. This is Friday, this is Saturday, and then Sunday before we leave, decided to go on one last send. And I'll just give y'all a second to appreciate this great photo. Alright, now that that's over with, this is on the way back. Dun dun dun. I got pulled over. The officer said something about due care. In other words, he heard me cooking. Gave me a citation for due care. Later I called about it and ended up just being $100. Little slap on the wrist, but I was on my way after that. And yeah, still a great trip, and thanks for watching. Peace.